What you doing? Taking a man that seen you want me now. Moody rules and chop with a minimum. Why you said you know me? That don't mean you know it. But as a good fool, sabi, di mo sa mashibiki. Ang mabilis si Masobela Yatu. Ni plata na yue. Ni maplata na yue. Benedete na yue. Ni kasi pretty ka. Ni plata na yue. Ni maplata na yue. Mafoto na yue. Masobela Yatu.
Hey guys, it's Musha and welcome back to my channel. And today I am super excited because I'm going to be sharing with you how I recreated this hairstyle. This hairstyle was inspired by Mampi Queen Diva. If you're Zambian, then you know who she is. But if you're not Zambian, then I should probably tell you. Mampi is a musician and she recently released a song, and this is the hairstyle that she had. So I thought I'd recreate the hairstyle because I thought it's super cool and super cute, and yeah, it's a look. So if you want to know how I got to here, if you want to know how I created this hair look, then keep on watching. If this is your first time watching my videos, then please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Okay, without talking too much, let's get into the video. Hello guys, so I am starting off on crusty dry hair, but don't worry, we're going to fix that with my DIY leave-in conditioner that I'm using. I just use that to spray my hair all over my hair just to make it nice and moist. Yeah, so my hair was really dry because it was in a previous not protective style. It was in waveformers, and afterwards, obviously, because I added that holding mousse, my hair was dry afterwards. So I was just refreshing it again with some DIY leave-in conditioner, and then I'm using my Curl Define cream by Cream of Nature. I will link everything in the description box. So I am using that to moisturize my hair, and then I am using my Super Seed Nyla hair oil, and yeah, just lather that into my hair. And I already made a pattern in the middle for this style, and then obviously create these small sections here. And what I'm doing is just braiding. Well, I braided the bottom part of the hair and then twisted it. If you guys would like a tutorial on how to braid or how to grip, then definitely let me know, or how to twist, then we can sort something out for you guys. So all I did was twist. Yeah, and then I did the other section, same thing. I braided a little bit, I don't know how much, but just a tiny bit, and then I separated the hair and made it into two, and then twisted it because the person's hair who I'm wanting to recreate this hairstyle, they twisted their hair, so I had to twist mine too. And then I'm using my Eco Styler gel. Obviously the Eco Styler gel here is the the main, well, not the main, but it's part of the show. So I'm using Eco Styler gel to lay my hair. That's the only thing that would lay my hair like that. Using Eco Styler gel and then putting my hair into a puff. So at this point, I actually left my ends of my hair just exposed, but I did end up braiding that part as well, just so my hair is not exposed and it's not breaking. Yeah, just to protect it, because this is, kind of like a protective style, yes. So yeah, more gel on the other side. And I also used a bit of a brush here just to brush in all those stubborn hairs that won't go down. But yeah, don't worry about the white stuff. That does go away once your hair is dry. Yeah, and then using my toothbrush to bring out any baby hair. And then I wrap my hair with my famous headscarf. Yeah, this is like, it works a charm. So to speed up the process, I actually sat under a hooded dryer. You can just leave it overnight. And here I'm just showing you how I was looping the beads into those little braids things that I did on the side. So I created like a, I don't even know how to explain this, but it's a hair bubble with a hairpin, and I looped them together, and then I looped the hair onto it. I don't know if it makes sense, but you guys, you can watch a tutorial on YouTube of how to make one of those. It's a DIY. I wasn't going to buy a bead looper thingy just for this now, when you can make a DIY. So yeah, that's what I did. And to secure the ends, I just used like little rubber bands. And yeah, as you can see, my hair is all dry, and then I have these two puffs that I used on my hair. So to secure them, they have like little strings. And yeah, at first I was like, wow, so big. But then I got used to it as time went on. But yeah, so I secured them. Make sure they don't fall off. I didn't want to use the combs because at this point my hair is dry from the gel, and my hair is, yeah, like hard dry. So if I try to stick a comb in there, I'm probably going to break my hair. So I just use the strings attached to just wrap around my own puffs. So yeah, guys, that is all. Just showing you the back. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. Would you try this hairstyle or not? I literally got like attention when I walked into town. But yeah, thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.